I come cleaning our radios. Here I come cleaning our radios. Trinitron9 in the deep waters of Coney Island. I got a whole lot of water for you. I'm cleaning our radios. I got a whole lot of Coney Island water for you. Trinitron9, Coney Island just got down. 813 lost all his conditions. Look like 813 lost all his conditions while I ride this wave out of Coney Island. I walk on this water out of Coney Island, and I get my hands in the air. Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down.
Hey, Mr. Late to the party. You got that thing rolling?
Yeah, I'm in and out with that there till something happen. I'm in and out with that till something get good. Just a great good morning. Break.
Yeah, well, I did something you won't believe I did. That's why I asked.
Yeah, Roger D there. Well, I got everything you set up to this point. Everything you set up to this point, dear. I got it.
Roger. I revamped the grant.
Hey, Roger D there. No doubt about it. So, you talking on a different radio now, or you talking on that radio?
No, I'm talking on the grant. I revamped the grant. I revamped the grant, Trent. I gave the grant a little more pep. I gave the grant a little more pep. Hey, Trent, I'm back out.
Got it all. Gave it a little more pep, no doubt about it. I don't see nothing wrong with a little more pep. Trinitron9, Coney Island, standing by.